Looking for your next deluxe resort stay on Disney World property? Disney's Riviera Resort should be on your list. Themed after Walt's experiences in Europe, the vibe is stunningly European, with plenty of nods to the French and Italian Rivieras. The resort has over 300 rooms that include tower studios, deluxe studios, 1, 2, and 3-bedroom villas. All rooms have balconies, and that makes sense because the grounds of this resort are literally gorgeous. Each villa also has full kitchens and washers and dryers, making it a very family-friendly place to stay. The Riviera has several dining options that are inclusive of this beautiful European theming, including a character dining opportunity at Topolino's Terrace. When you're not dining with Mickey and Minnie, you can get a nice tan lounging by one of 2 pools on property. This resort offers a kid-friendly pool option with a play area and a more serene pool area as well, perfect for everyone. The resort is connected to Epcot and Disney's Hollywood Studios by the Disney Skyliner gondola system. It also has a bus stop for Magic Kingdom, and buses are available to Disney Springs, Magic Kingdom, and Disney's Animal Kingdom, giving you options when it comes to navigating your next vacation. I visited and stayed at multiple deluxe resorts at Disney World, and the Riviera is absolutely my next stay. Depending on what platform you're watching from, please follow or subscribe to see more travel and lifestyle content. Likes and shares are always appreciated. I would love to hear your favorite Disney resort down in the comments. Now sit back and enjoy the rest of this walking tour at Disney's Riviera Resort. Have a magical day, and thanks for watching.